Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you a super easy tutorial on how to make these cookies. This design is based on an actual piece of clothing from Anthropologie. I just saw this on Instagram and I thought to myself, well, let's see if I can turn this into a cookie, and here they are. First though, I had to color my royal icing to match the color. So to color the royal icing, I used orange food coloring and I added some yellow food coloring to get this exact shade. And now we're going to outline and flood the cookie with 15-second consistency royal icing. We're gonna have to let that dry completely and then we can create the flowers. To make the flowers, I'm using some pink royal icing that I mixed with just a touch of ivory to mute it down a little bit, and I'm also using some white royal icing. Icing I'm using is about piping consistency or slightly thicker than that, and the paintbrush I'm using is a paintbrush number 4 Filbert. When doing brushed embroidery, always make sure that you dampen your brush a little bit and then wipe off the excess royal icing into a clean paper towel as you go. I'm going to let the flowers crust, and then using brown royal icing we're going to make the center of the flower, and to some of the flowers I am going to add stem, so I need to let the center crust before adding the stem. Here are the finished cookies. So what do you guys think? It's pretty close match, isn't it, with the original fabric? I think it turned out really close, and they're so easy to make. So I hope you will give this technique a go. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and be sure to hit the bell button so you get notified about my new uploads. Also, don't forget to like this tutorial and be sure to share it with your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.